Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte devices driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your gaming box, AORUS RTX 3080 Ti gaming box. After that, click on the product and then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, 7 also. So this is your driver and click to download. This is download icon. So when you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is started and it is completed. After that, click on three dot and then click on download. When you click to download, so you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes. And then click on install. After that, this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time and it is low. After install and then close it.